Joke. I'm disappointing, then follow, footset. I'll block you. Sunamau. No, no, no. Akuncengi no. Hawu. Uma uthi ngishebele. Footset. Unyaka yini isu? Unyaka yini? If a bora, unyaka yini? Porque a bora aqui tá ali de purita correndo, assim. Salão puta macio. Esse cartão é. Oh, 200 bucks. Que é o bloco and chaka. Bye bye. Yeah, anybody who said 200 bars, I'm blocking that nigga. Go follow your Moscandi nigga over there. I'm a trapper. Alright, 200 bar block. Block. I'll block. Angala. Então tinha dado. I dare you, no. Put 200 bars. Okay, now I'm on your block. What's that? Block. Hey, I'm having fun. Yeah, I'm having fun blocking these Nsuela boys. Bad mind them. If I see another 200 bars or a Big Zulu or a what, block. Or a J-Mod, block. Or I don't know who else, block. Don't know who else, block. Else, block. Dang. I'm minimizing every cup in hand. You know what I'm saying? But nah, I keep it classy. You know? I'm growing. You can even hear how I speak, you know. I'm growing. Noma ngukuthini ngoba insango into engingeke ngiyeke ukuyibhema. Ukubhema ngiyabhema. Bathi ngiyiphara wena uthini wena. Umamele lesa sigoro isigwansonzo wena uthini wena. Even the first one, I never heard it. The only line I heard was the Mercedes line. I put that Mercedes tattoo because my first car was a Mercedes. Yeah. If I get I don't give a fuck, Toyota, I'm a tattoo Toyota. If I get a Lexus, I'm a tattoo Lexus. If I get a BMW, I'm a tattoo BMW. Anda, na, saga. Pandelisa salami, pandelisa salami. Chumbona, sula, amba, panda. Pandelisa salami, pandelisa salami. Ngifuna imali yami, ngifuna imali yami, ngifuna izinto zami. 200 bars, block. $200 give mama. Ngibukele la nyanya. I'm peeping close.